Breaking news to a story we told you about just a few minutes ago, and it is a tragic ending to a desperate search in Barstow for a toddler who was swept away in a flash flood. The city just confirming the child was found dead this afternoon. Family identified the boy of Xavier Padilla. The grandmother tells us that his father was driving home with his son last night when their vehicle was caught in the fast-moving floodwaters. The father was hospitalized. Again, Xavier has been found dead, and we'll continue to follow this story throughout the afternoon.